So we have this guy, and we've applied smooth shading to him. And overall, that's fine, well, and good. It looks more consistent, but we've got areas where the surfaces are flatter, and we don't necessarily want that. That just does not look quite right in the bottom. It looks like it's supposed to be flat, but we don't quite know where the edge is. So let's just change that. With the item selected, we can tab into edit mode, select the face or faces in question, and we can right-click and shade flat. Or, alternatively, go up to face and shade flat there. And when we tab back into object mode, we will see that we've got a clean surface. And that's great for when you have a limited scope of what you're trying to do. If you have an object where you have just a few faces that have to be sharp or smooth, that's great. That said, let's put it back how it was and look at another way of doing this. And what that is if you right click or go up and look to the object, there is an option for Shade Auto Smooth. And the thing is, you can adjust where the smoothness should start. So right here, I've got it set at 0 and everything is sharp. As we slide this over, we can see that gradually some of the faces will start to smooth out. So that's all great. You can just kind of set this, whether it's precisely by keying something in or just eyeballing it, but you can get a much better sense of control over an object and being able to set sharp and smooth simply by picking the appropriate angle for it.